In this tutorial, we're going to start off by making two circles, each with a diameter of 2 inches. We're then going to connect this, kind of like the caramel roundabout peanuts, with arcs that have a radius of 1 inch. And it's done very similar to the way that we created our tangent arcs on the previous exercise. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out on an index card any of the measurements I might need. And starting with the circles, I'm going to draw those for 2 inches, which means I need to set the radius of my compass at 1 inch. I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to do a couple practice swipes to make sure I'm exactly 1 inch. And now I'm going to put the tip of my compass so that it is right in the center of the center point marks. And I'm going to draw a circle. Now I'm using very light pressure because I'm going to come in and darken this in with object lines after I've finished my creation. So I'm going to move the center point over and once again draw my circle. Okay, so right now I have my two circles, but I need my arcs that are going to connect the top and the bottom. So just like we did on the previous exercise, we're going to add that additional radius of 1 inch to our already given 1 inch radius, which means my compass is going to be set to 2 inches. Do a couple practice swipes. That's a little bit small. There we go. That's right on it. Now I'm going to put my compass back at the center points and swipe a little arc above and below to find the location where I'll put the tip of my compass for the arcs that connect them. I'm going to return my compass to the radius of 1 inch to create the arcs that are going to be connecting the two circles. And this is why I always label it, so I can always go back to a previous measurement and not have to waste time measuring things 2, 3, or even 4 times. Okay, and when I arc it, I'm starting and stopping right as it touches those circles. I place the tip right where those two arcs met, and now again, I'm arcing it so it connects the two. Since these circles were 2 inch diameter, that means I needed the 1 inch radius, so I don't have to change or adjust my measurement here at all to go in one more time, press down a little harder to darken in my object lines for my circles here. I lost my correct pressure there. Okay, I see that I've messed up here, and looking at that, I see that my point was not right in the dead center. So I'm going to come back and make the correct connection. And I'll come with my eraser shield and I'll clean that up a bit. So that's how you make an arc tangent to two other arcs, and hopefully this was very helpful for you.